Yes, welcome to all. This is Peer Muhyiddin, Assistant Professor, AADS Department of St. Martin Engineering College. Now I am going to take the class of inheritance in Java. So here there are two types of programming approaches are there. Programming approaches, there are two types. Procedure oriented language, then object oriented language. Procedure oriented language, for example, C programming is the procedure oriented language. Okay, Fortran is the procedure oriented language. Basic is a procedure oriented language. Then object oriented languages are there. Java is a object oriented language. Then Python is a object oriented language. So there are two approaches are there. So what is programming? Programming means we are giving the solution for particular problem. So every programming gives some different approaches to give the solutions. And there prominently there are two approaches in programming world. So object oriented, then procedure oriented. So now we are going to discuss about that. What is the object oriented? What is procedure oriented? What is the advantages? What is the advantages of Java? What is the types of inheritance? We are going to discuss in this session. Yes, procedure oriented languages. So here C programming, directly C programming. What is the problem of C programming? So problem of C programming is it is a procedure oriented. Everything is problem is solved by one by one. That is called top down approach. So from top it is sequentially it will solve the problems one by one. So what is the problem in this approach means it will takes more time. There is no reusability, there is no scalability. So these are the main problems in procedure oriented language. So that's what, so we are going to the concept of object oriented languages. Object oriented languages, so here for example Java is a object oriented language. Here reusability is completely performed here. So that is the object oriented languages. So here what is the reusability? For example, you have created 1000 line coding, 1000 line programming line is there. So this 1000 line programming is once you are created means, so you can use this coding for lifelong we can use this coding. Okay, so here what will happen? No need to create again and again, just we can reuse it. That's what. So here it is the two, so C programming, Java programming, so already we have discussed. So here what is the main thing in this object oriented language? For example Java, so there are so many features are there, but main feature is there are a platform independent language and it is a object oriented languages. So here, so platform independent language. So what is platform independent language? What is platform? So platform is nothing but it is a operating systems. So for example C programming, if you are creating one program, okay, in Windows operating system, it will not run in that Linux operating system. So it will not run in that Android operating systems. So it is called platform dependent languages, platform dependency. So once if you are write the code, so you cannot execute all operating system, all platforms. So that is the great problem in that procedure oriented language. But here Java is a platform independent. Once if you are created, okay, once if you are compiled, it will run all operating system. It will run in that mobile, it will run in that web, it will run in that any Windows operating system, Linux operating systems, so Unix operating systems, whatever operating systems it will run. So what will happen? So after creating one project, it will run all OSs. So that is the greatest features of Java. So that is the first concept, platform independent language. So platform independent means any other platform it will run. Second concept is object oriented language. Object oriented language. So what is object oriented? So here there are 6 pillars of the class, object, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance. There are 6 concepts are there. It is called object oriented concepts. It is the pillar of object oriented approaches. These pillars support for this object oriented languages. So real world whatever you are thinking, parent-child relationship we can create in Java. Okay, parent-child, grandchild relationship we can create in Java. Okay, so here multiple inheritance we can create in Java. So everything, the real world, whatever you are doing, it is converted in that programming easily. So okay, that's what it is called portability in nature, scalability in nature, well organized, well structured. So one concept is well structured, we can reusability is very easy. So it is called object oriented language. So Java supports, so the two main features, platform independent language, then object oriented language. So here, so by using this diagram you can easily understand, so what is platform independent language. Here Java program is there, we are compiling, so the bytecode is generated here. So here that bytecode, it will run that Mac OS, it will run that Windows OS, it will run that Linux OS. Okay, so different OS it will run because of that bytecode. So here you can easily connect with that. Once any language is converted into English, that English is the global language. So anyone can easily understand globally nowadays. That the same thing. So here any programming, here Java is converted into bytecode. Bytecode is like a English language. So it will be understood by all operating system. So that is the bytecode generation. So by using that bytecode generation, so it gives the features of platform independent. Okay. So here, so now we can see that on videos, by using these videos, you will understand very easily. So here, so platform independent features we can easily understand when comparing to that uh, C programming and Java programming. Okay, C programming, what happened here? So C programming, what, how they are compiling, how they are getting the output. Java programming, how they are compiling, how they are getting the output. So here, so we can easily find out. So here machine code is there. Okay, so machine code is converted into, okay, system with Windows 10 OS. Windows 10 OS we are compiling. So it is compiled, it is converted into machine languages. Okay, so then the same code compiled in Windows OS, but it will run, we are in Linux, but it will not run. Okay, it will not run. So Linux operating system, it will not run because it is compiled in Windows operating system. So different operating system if you are using, so it will not run. So that is the great problem. So but here when you are using that high level languages, C++, compiling interpreter, so machine code is created. So here if you are using the Java programming, if your Java C is the one of the command we are giving for compiling that high level program. So if you are compile, so bytecode is generated. So once the bytecode is generated, okay, so the JVM will understand and it will execute. So here you have to understand C programming and Java programming, the machine code is created by operating system. Okay, but in Java programming, the machine code is created by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine will take care of those things. So it will run all operating systems. So here, so this is what it is saying, the Java is a platform independent because program is executed by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So it is the videos that I am showing that it is easily you can understand. Okay, so then I am going to the concept of again that features Java. Okay, machine level language, once you are created that machine level language, okay, so once you are creating that machine level language, so it will understand by all other platforms. So here, so object oriented concepts, so object oriented concepts, there are six pillars are there in object oriented concept. First one is class, second one is object, then encapsulation, polymorphism, okay, inheritance. So these are the six features are there. So there are the six features are there. This based on that pillars, it is running. The first we will see that one by one. So here class and object. So class is nothing but it is the template. So it is the blueprint. It is the format. So by using that format, we can create multiple things. For example, here the car blueprint is there. By using this blueprint, we can create multiple cars. N number of cars we can easily create. So that is called class. That is called class. So class, what is the definition? Class is the template for creating objects. It is the template. It is the creating the objects. So no physical memory is not that. Object only it gets the physical memory. Okay. Next, so class and objects is the basic things of Java programming. So Java programming means class. Okay, everything is separated by structured by using classes. So here I will show that programming. So what is class? What is object? You have to understand what is class, what is object. So class is nothing but it is the template as we discussed. Class is the template, object is the instance of a class. So here, for example, now I am going to create one small class. For example, class A. Class A is the small class. So now, what is the syntax?
Red color, you say that. Use only light colors on the blackboard also. And maximize the screen, sir, first while you are opening.
Okay.
Wait a minute. While I start action, when the and clear the page first. There is an clear, right. Again, wait. Right. Continue. Use light colors and click on right. Then use light, yellow or green.
Okay, yellow.
Okay. Ready, sir? Continue.
Yes. So what is class? I am going to create one class. Then how to run that class? By using objects. I am going to create. So class. What is class? For example, class A. Class A is created.
Change the color, sir.
I have not changed it, but not
White. White one.
white. Already is yellow is selected.
Use light color, sir. More select yellow. No select color. Board నుంచి మళ్ళీ clear the page, sir.
Okay.
Third option clear. Yeah. Start again. Continue.
Yes, I am going to create one small class and one small object. How it is running. So what is class? So now I am going to create one class. So class A. Okay. So A is the calculator. Just imagine it is a calculator A. So what are the functions? Calculate addition function is there. Addition. Okay, addition function is there. Then subtraction function is there. Subtraction. Okay, subtraction function. So it is the small class. So this class, it contains two functionality, two calculators. Addition calculator is there, subtraction calculator is there. Then how to run this program? By using object, we can access this program. For example, how to create that objects? So here it is the class. As I already discussed, it is the class. Then I am going to create objects. I am going to run this program. I am going to run this program by objects. By objects, we are going to run this program. So how to create that objects? So there are the same object you have to create. For example, main class. Okay, public static void main. Public static void main. Then I am going to create objects. So how I am going to create that objects? You know that it is the A1 is equal to new A. So object is created. So it is the object is created. Now I am going to access all calculators. Now I am going to access addition calculator. So what should I do? A1 dot addition. A1 dot addition. That's it. Okay, finished. So what is the output? What is the output of this program? So here, if I put here system.out.println addition, okay, add. So here system.out.println subtraction. If you do this means, so what is the answer? So answer is output is addition. So addition is called. So it is the simple program. In Java, if you understand this concept, so everything, it is the pillars of Java. So here class is the, object is the, how to create the class, how to create the objects. Okay, so class, it is the keyword we are using. Okay, it is the keyword, class keyword is using. So here object, how to create, so new keyword we are using. Okay, new keyword we have used. So it is the class and objects. Okay, so by using this class and objects, we are going to the concept of other concepts, other pillars of uh, object oriented concepts. What are the other pillars? Now I am going to create another concept that is called encapsulation. So here encapsulation and abstraction we are going to discuss. Okay, class we have understood. Okay, object we have understood. Then encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means real world example, mobile is there. It is the mobile. So here the important details, motherboard. So motherboard is hidden from the user. It is inside the mobile. Why it is inside the mobile? Because it is the very important. That's what it is secured. That's what it is not given to the user. If the given to the user, the user will collapse everything. So that's what it is secured. It is inside of the inside. Okay, here it is the motherboard is there. So motherboard. So the user cannot use this motherboard. So it is called hiding the data. It is called hiding the data. So in programming, we have to hide something. Otherwise, unauthorized user, they will easily hack this any concepts. So Java is a very secure language. In banking program, banking website, banking app, they are using Java. Why Java? This kind of features. Anyone can easily cannot hack this Java programming. That's what they are using that. So many languages are there. PHP language is there, ASP language is there, ASP.NET language is there, but still they are using Java because of encapsulation concept, because we can hide everything. So here motherboard is the example. Then another concept is abstraction. So here abstraction means hiding the data, hiding the important things. At the same time, we are showing that necessary things to the user. For example, mobile phone is there. Mobile phone, everything is hidden, motherboard is hidden, processor is hidden, RAM is hidden, but they are giving the access, the volume button to the user. Because necessary things only it is given to that user. Okay, so the same concept we can done by abstraction concept. So that abstraction concept is there. Okay, this necessary details only it is given. So here, for example, here car is created. So here without abstraction, what will happen? With the abstraction, what will happen? Okay, without abstraction, so what will happen? Nothing is there. Everything is hidden means we cannot operate it. We cannot operate that car. But here everything is hidden, but the steering is there, braking is there. So by using that, the user can easily operate this car. So it is the using abstraction. Okay, so these things are implemented in programming. Why Java is nowadays, 10 days before Java, nowadays we are studying Java. Java real world things, it is easily implemented in that programming. So it is called abstraction. Okay, so now polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? Poly means many forms. For example, here the one person is there. Now one person is here. The person, if you go to that home, he's your father. The same person, if you go to that working environment, is the manager. The same person will go to that home, that husband. So the same person working differently, in different environment. Okay, that is called polymorphism. Different many forms. Okay, many forms they will act. The real world, this concept is implemented in Java. That's what Java is a very powerful language, very portability language. Okay, so here polymorphism is there. Okay, next concept is inheritance. So here one vehicle. So inheritance means one class is, we can easily create one class by inheriting others. Okay, by inheriting others, father has, for example, father has 10 lakhs. You need not to work. You are the child. You need not to earn money because father's money is your money. It is called inheritance. Okay, so that's the same concept is applied in that Java. It is called inheritance. So one class inherit the properties and methods of another class. Okay, so here so many vehicles are there. So it is the, what is the parent? So here bike is the parent. What is the parent? It is the vehicle is the parent. So here it is a grandparent, parent and child. These things are used in programming world. So here clearly structured. So when it is a clearly structured, we can done that reusability. So here, so there are 5 types of inheritance are there. So there are 5 types of inheritance. So here first one is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance. Okay, single inheritance. What is single inheritance? One father, one child. Okay, so you can easily understand by diagram. Here parent is there, child is there. Okay, one child has one parent has one child. It is called single inheritance. The child has no need to do anything. Whatever the parent has means automatically it will given to the child. Okay, it is called the class inheritance from only one parent class. Okay, it is called single inheritance. Then another types of inheritance are there. What is the another type of inheritance? It is called for single inheritance. Programmatically I can explain. For example, A, then B. So A is the parent class, B is the child class. How to implement this concept in programming? For example, here. So here A is there. A, it contains only one calculator, addition calculator A. So then B is the just empty. But here A has contains addition calculator. Okay, addition. So B, visually there is nothing is there, but logically it is the parent. B is the child, A is a parent. So parent method will come to the child method. So here how many methods are there here? Addition method, only one method in parent. The same method is given to the child. Addition, child also has one method. Okay, addition automatically will come to that child. Child has one method and parent is also one method is there. Okay, so here next, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means grandparent, parent, child. Okay, grandparent, parent, child. So the level is multi-level is there now. That's called, it is called multi-level inheritance. So here a class inherits from a class which is inherits from another class. A class inherits from class, it is inherited from another class. So it is called multi-level inheritance. Okay, for example, I'm showing one example here. So here A, B, C is there. So it is a grandparent, parent and it is the child. Okay, there are 3 levels are there. Programmatically I am going to implement. So here class A is there, class B is there, class C is there. Class A contains only one calculator, addition calculator. Class B contains nothing. Class C contains nothing. Visually nothing. But logically, class B is a child of A. So automatically the addition function will come to the child. Then class C automatically it will get that. So addition, class A contains addition, class B contains addition, class C contains addition. Because inheritance. So inheritance means the class easily we can create one class by inheriting others classes. Okay, so it is the single multi-level inheritance. So another type is there. Another type is hierarchical inheritance. So here one parent, the same parent, multiple child is there. It is the hierarchy. Okay, it is the principal. There are so many departments are there. ADS, ECE, IT, CSC. So many departments are there. Na? It is called hierarchical. So here the same thing, parent, child 2, parent, child 3. So this concept also we can implement in Java. So that is the object oriented language. So real world entity is implemented in that programming approaches. That approaches is called object oriented programming approaches. So here the parent property automatically inherited by child 1. Okay, the parent property automatically inherited by child 1, then child 2, then child 3. So it is the concept. What is the definition? Multiple classes inherit from a single parent. How many parents are there? Only one parent. So here multiple childs are there. So only one parent, methods, properties automatically will come to that child. So programmatically I can explain. So here A, okay, A is the parent, B is the child, C is the child, D is the child. So how to do programming? So A, the parent has only one addition. So addition, the red color addition is there. So here that addition concept is automatically inherited to that class B. Then the same addition is given to that class C. The same addition is given to that class D, because it is connected. It is the parent. So it is the concept of hierarchical inheritance. It is concept of hierarchical inheritance. So now visually the class C, how many methods are there? In class C there are visually no methods, but logically it contains one method. That is called addition method is there. Okay, this addition method, it is given to all methods. Next concept, okay, hybrid inheritance. Next concept is hybrid inheritance. So here the same grandmother is there, then for mother is there, then son and daughter. Here two inheritance are combined. So two inheritance are combined here. So here what are the inheritance? So here it is the single inheritance, na? So here one parent, one child. Okay, it is the single inheritance. So here the mother has hierarchical inheritance. So more than one inheritance, it is combined. Okay, that is called hybrid inheritance. Okay, hybrid inheritance. So here there are single inheritance is combined and hierarchical inheritance are combined here. Okay, so the two inheritance are combined. Okay, then we will go to that. Again that videos you will better understanding. So that's what I have showed already. Then again I am showing that videos. Okay, so here that platform independent concepts I have explained before, that platform independent concepts, in this platform independent concept, that videos better understanding. Okay, better understanding is easily that. So here machine code is converted into, okay, so here C++, what will happen? So C++ is a platform dependent language. Okay, platform dependent language is C++. Platform independent language is Java. So here in if you are running that C programming, okay, so it will not run that Linux, because it is compiled in Windows, it will not run in Linux. It is the problem. But here, so machine code is Linux means, so it will run. Okay, so it is the platform dependent. So in Java what will happen? In Java what will happen now? So Java program, if you are compiled, so it is a bytecode is generated, so it is interpreted, then it will run all operating system, because it is supports that JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It supported JVM. It will support all operating systems. So it will run any program, write once, run anywhere concept is implemented here. So Java is a platform independent, Java is a object oriented concepts. Okay, it is supported. So Java is, now we are studying that Java. Okay, Java is in future also, Java is very security language, so very high scalability language, very that more than one platform it will run. Okay, I hope you have understood very clearly that. So now we have studied about that procedure oriented, object oriented, okay, object oriented pillars, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance we have studied. Okay, thank you.